gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped your style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side. I don't like to brag on what I do, but you acting like I didn't make you. Looking at me sideways.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. Today's unit is from Yolova and their tagline is Born for Beauty. On the back of the box is their website, guys. I'll leave all the links to their website in the description down below. So let's get into the packaging. First, we have some cute lashes and some wig caps, and finally is a tweezer. I love that they included the silk bag so you can store the wig in after you take it off. Now let's get to the cap construction. It has a comb at the back, the adjustable strap, two combs on either side, and a comb in the middle. This is how the hairline is looking. It is pre-plucked and it came with baby hairs, but guys, as always, you can go in and pluck the hairline to your own liking. I'll get right to it and put the unit on.
Already know. Wait and see how my
I'll turn around so you can see the back of the unit and look at these bouncy curls.
time with me. I feel my dreams.
This is a 13 by 4 lace front wig and the cap size is average.
And you, so the things that I will.
Before customizing the unit, I like to pull the hair to the back in a ponytail. You can use your grab clip or whatever you want to use and pull the hair to the back so it's easier to work with. Then I like to remove the excess lace from the wig.
Raise all my dreams and hopes with you. I dream you walking down to me.
I love cutting the lace in 3 so it is easier to lay. And I'll be using the Got2b gel and the beaded spray to lay the lace.
I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine, and I vow to be yours, vow to love you for the rest. I dream you walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and I vow to protect you for all time. I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine, and I vow to be yours, vow to love you for the rest. I dream.
I realize when you tie the lace before cutting it off, it melts the lace perfectly. Now I'll go in and remove the lace.
To protect you for all time. I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine.
add the got to be gel to the parts of the lace that is lifting. Guys, sometimes when you cut the lace, you have parts of the lace that is lifting. Don't worry about that, guys. Just go in with your got to be glue or whatever glue you're using and melt that baby down, you all. Now I'll go in and tie the lace again. I'll add the Maybelline Fit Me powder to the lace. This is how my lace is looking, you all.
Forever, no, we ain't seen together. Oh, I wish I had a cater.
This is a 13x4 unit, so you have the option of doing a center part, which you have a nice part to the back, or you can go in and do a deep side part. I am going for a deep side part because I am not a lover of middle parts. You know, a girl gotta go in and lay some baby hairs, but guys, honestly guys, these hair, they're way past baby stage, and today guys, these hair will be toddler hair. They're nowhere near teenage, and they're outgrown baby stage, if you get what I'm saying. I am using the hot comb to flatten the top of the hair. Also, I'll be going in with this mini iron I found from Amazon. It's only $9, you all. I'll leave the link in the description down below. If you're interested, guys, go and check it out. I'll add some water to the hair. Now I'll go in with the Marc Anthony Curl Cream.
Gray skies is all I see as I hear your voice.
I am adding the foundation to the parting space. Now I'm going in with my Hero Care Walk Stick.
I light in perfect memories. I remember how our hands used to touch. Conversation with no end, it's no force. How we used to vibe under the blue skies, but you turned my smiles into...
This is Yolova 13x4 loose deep lace front human hair wig, and it is 100% human hair. The color is natural black, which is 1B. The density is 200%. The cap size is average. The unit came with baby hairs. It is also pre-plucked. So for all you beginners who are afraid of going in and plucking the hairline and making a mess, guys, this unit is perfect for you. I know you all love your baby hairs and those realistic hairline. I do too, guys, and this unit is perfecto. I experienced minimal shedding, no tangling. I love these bouncy curls, guys. Look at these curls. If you're interested in this unit, guys, the link to your Yolova website is in the description down below. You can use my code COUR and save some coins. Guys, you can go and check the website out even if you're not interested in this unit. The quality of their unit is amazing. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye.
It was all